Here's an overview of Thrive Safety. The first section you see is Incident Investigation. This provides you a tool to capture your safety incident, as well as the pictures for it, assign assignments, ultimately close the loop on your safety incident. This last section ties into it. As part of it, it tracks automatically your OSHA 300 log. Next section is SOPs, or Safe Operating Procedures. Here again, it's a way that you can capture all your SOPs, but you can also assign them and link them to equipment. Next area is Safety Data Sheets, or SDSs. In this area, you'll capture your actual SDS form, provides a quick search tool, and it also eliminates the need to have books out on the shop floor. This section where it says Requests and Projects, this is a project management tool within safety. It can track any of your safety projects. You can put in requests, have somebody approve them, add assignments, close the loop, and track for your team what you're getting done for safety. In the last section here, you'll notice is Audit Setup. An Audit Setup allows you to provide any number of safety audits for your shop floor. So this is an overview of Thrive Safety.